massive truck driver shortage going on in this country. Tracy Carrasco reporting on a new push to find female recruits. Hey, Tracy.
Hey, Neil. Yes, we are not on a long haul today. We are on the roads here in York, Pennsylvania. I'm with Liz Meyer. She's been a truck driver for more than a decade now. Now she's an instructor with Shelly Truck Driving School here in York. This was not always the career path that she intended. But Liz, I want to know, what is it like to be a woman truck driver in a male-dominated industry?
It's definitely challenging. However, I think that the good outweighs the bad. It's a great career to have. It's, monetarily speaking, it's enough to support your family. You have time at home. You have options, and I think it's great, especially for women in this industry.
And now, as we're seeing the number of women slowly starting to increase, getting into the business. In 2003, there were 4.5% of the trucking force was made up of women. That has grown to about 6% as of last year, 2018. Mentioning the trucking shortage, the American Trucking Association put out the numbers that the trucking shortage is expected to double over the next decade. Companies are now reaching out to women to recruit them. Liz, what are you seeing as far as companies doing things to get women into the industry?
I think that they're definitely doing a lot of great things. They're doing family passes where you can take your child along or your pet along, and I think that's wonderful. I think they're looking into safety issues as well. Most companies are just trying to get us back in there.
Yeah, and training is obviously very important. You use a lot of simulators to get people into the trucks, to get them comfortable. Tell me about training.
The training with simulator, I think, is amazing. It gives everyone an opportunity to basically look at what they're going to get into before they get out on the road with the actual real dangers. Learning how to shift, learning how to double clutch, learning how to different scenarios of things that could happen, dangers in intersections, things like that. I think it's imperative to have.
Neil, I'm going to leave you with one final stat. As far as women, they are 20% less likely to get in a crash when they're driving a truck here like this. We'll send it back to you.
Wow, I didn't know that. I'm going to keep that secret from my wife in case she's watching. Tracy, thank you very, very much.